In this part, I'll be talking about the learning story styles and formats. To find the learning story, it's very simple. You need to get started on the Long Daycare Centre documentations page, which is just up here. Then I'm going to scroll down, and in this blue section here, you can find learning stories. Now I'm ready to start the learning stories. I just click on this button here, click to open. Now my learning story will open up in a PDF document, and it will open up a fillable form. Once it opens up, you may notice that this is very similar to our previous formats that we have on the curriculum plan, and also reflections of our day. So once again, up the top we've got our fillable areas, which is where you select either individual group, name, room and the date. And we also have an option here for you to fill in your centre logo, just like on our previous formats. We have 3 boxes where you can insert the learning story images that you have. Over here on the left hand side, you've got, I'll just use these buttons up here to zoom in so you can have a look. On the left hand side, you've got the EYLF learning outcomes, and here is where you'll link the learning outcomes to the learning story. So I'll just zoom in. There you can see each of the 5 learning outcomes within the EYLF framework. Also underneath the learning outcomes, you've got the principles and practices. And it's very simple for you to do. All you need to do is click on the checkbox to select the learning outcomes and the principles and practices that you want for your learning story. Okay, I'll just zoom out. Okay, over in this right side here, this is where you type in your learning story. In this box here. Underneath, you also have a box for analysis of learning and extension of learning. So there you go. So they're the different fields that you need to fill in when you're filling in this form. In my next video, I'll actually show you how simple it is to fill in the learning story format.